Hello, today we're gonna make my whole fish in the oven. Steaming hot. Welcome back to How to Cook It. This is a tilapia. This fish is 1 kg, which is 2.2 pounds. It has been cleaned inside and descaled. The tail has been cut off and also the sharp fins has been cut off too. You can ask a fishmonger if you want to do this, but my dad did it for me. My dad has cut very thin lines on the fish, like this. We're gonna put our fish in the oven and I have laid lemon slices on the tray. I am using ceramic, but you can use metal or glass if you want. I have some slices of ginger. I have 2 star anise and I'm gonna put them in. Salt and pepper. Now I'm gonna put the fish on top. Half a cup of soy sauce and half a cup of water. Half a cup of onions. Now we're gonna cover it with foil and we're gonna put it in the oven. This size fish will take about 20 to 30 minutes. Set the heat at 200. See you then. That's 30 minutes in the oven, so let's take a look. Wow! Perfectly steamed in the oven. Job done. Lots of love.
Hello everyone, an update about the cookbooks. Well, the first one is now finally available. It's on Amazon, you can get it in an ebook, $3.99, very, very cheap, 195 pages of wonderful food from the Indian continent. It's flicking by you right now. Do me a favor, do yourself a favor, and please buy that, it helps the channel out a great deal. It's also available in paperback if you want that. Check the link below this video. You can just click that, buy it. Thanks a lot. Lots of love.